make the food look like it's running. It looks like, I'm gonna show you when I'm done. It's gonna make it like move fast.
I think
Extreme, lock the door, and
drop the window.
We're gonna say a prayer.
You gotta say a prayer.
Dear God, last week me and a boy kick off from me if you watch it.
That's so fast. I
I
swear upon vegan grade
but
that.
you have to prepare in order to get to book of
But
anything
after
my topic.
prepare for the
My friend is 17 and just get a
my friend
turkey,
17
mother.
just got
And the next girl
and
look like she
him.
would fail another.
Wow, it's fast.
Father God,
General
bless you.
Father God me.
Cause even if
Even
things
things look good today, tomorrow
we are
we
suffer.
suffer.
But between me, you and no other.
No other
Mother test the
mother
embassy
just
and get a
understood
US
getting US
visa.
visa. Boy me out pray, make my life easier.
Cause me can't take no leave a gun thing
Take
down
the
here.
whole
And even if you don't want to gunman,
even if
at some point
you're
you get caught
a
up in the
gunman, at
streets,
some
yeah.
point you get up
Me I try
and
to
that's
understand. Okay, recording now.
okay.
So, we were talking about if we make a YouTube video, what would it be like?
Well, I would be chopping everything. You'd be explaining it in patois. Patois.
That Jamaican for the people, them.
And then you make coconut milk. Or maybe I would. Make like coconut.
So, it's going to be a cooking show.
Yes.
Okay. So, we'd have to make a cooking show. So we do like different meals and stuff. And
Smoothies, juices. I want to make like coconut milk.
Yeah, she obsessed with making coconut
I fucking
milk.
love that, but I want to do like dates in there and then like cinnamon and cloves and like make some. Really...
Why you going with cloves and cinnamon?
What's wrong with cloves and cinnamon?
You trying to make it too sweet?
No, I like it sweet. I want.
We're This is for the cooking coconut milk, or the one that you're just using for like making
just
other
drinks,
stuff?
Just little drinks.
Just the drink.
Little
Okay.
drinks.
Because I was like, remember that we were cooking with some of
Dates,
them.
cinnamon, some cacao powder in there. Peanut butter.
What a
I'm obsessed with peanut butter.
Yeah, we're definitely using that to make a smoothie. Alright, what me I gonna make no. I guess I'll just make what I always make. I don't know, same thing. I guess I don't have a menu. I have a menu, but I don't have a menu.
I'm gonna make cake.
Oh yeah, you said you
I'm gonna make cake.
Yeah,
Okay.
I make the cake.
I love
We have a regular menu, but it's not a menu, it's just a choice menu. So after starting to cook, I just put things together. So I never know what I'm gonna cook.
I do like to plan sometimes.
Yeah. That's why I'm gonna keep all ingredients. Because if I have all the ingredients, then I don't really have to worry about
Exactly. Just
cooking
create.
anything. Yeah. Just get up and make something. So that's what our YouTube would be like, okay?
Okay. Let's make it happen.
Let me see. That's it. Oh yeah, big up Jamaica.
What?
Say big up Jamaica.
Big up?
Yeah, that's like saying hello Jamaica.
Hello, Jamaica.
Hello America.
Yes.
Yet, what have you learned so far in Patois?
Not a whole lot.
What do you think you could say?
Blood clot.
The government of Jamaica will arrest you.
It's not a ting or whatever.
Dying.
Yeah, and
That's it.
Yeah, like the ting. It ain't no ting. I don't know.
I'm a G.
A G. Oh man, yeah man. Me don't know a thing. I don't know anymore. It's hard.
Alright, now put the pressure up on you. Okay, so I don't even know where I'm gonna put this. Probably on the I don't know, maybe the YouTube channel or oh yeah, I'll put it on the YouTube channel. So it's gonna be if we were to make a cooking video, what would it be and what would we do?
Yes.
We
will make a cooking video. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
Alright. So I don't know. I'm coming to Jamaica next year. I already invited Marissa. Let's see if she's coming down there. She's practicing her patois.
Patois.
So,
Patois.
so
Patois.
let's see if she's coming to Jamaica. If she come Jamaica, then we'll just bring her all boat. Go show her Jamaica. You know what I'm just saying?
Just say.
Died.
uh,
All right.
sure.
God willing, I'm out.
Out. Bye.
Yeah, soon.